Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging on your Android phone if it's a little bit slow. So the first thing to do is really look at your fast charging setup. So if you have something like this where there's a bunch of mishmash of cables and chargers, chance of this fast charging is probably not very good. So I'm not even sure where this power adapter is from, if it's like a Roku or something like that or something else. And this is from a JBL headset. So the chance of this actually charging fast is probably not very good. So you want to get the actual branded one from your phone. So here's Samsung. I know this is a fast charger and I have a Samsung phone right here. Just grab the cable that came with it. This is going to be the best likelihood of it fast charging. Now sometimes these cables over a certain amount of years could degrade. So you might need to get a new cable and charger just for that reason. And look at the charging port here. If you have an older phone, this might be getting damaged too. So if it's been like 4 or 5 years, you don't know. Now there's also an option on your phone if we swipe down from the top right and go to settings and then just turn this on and scroll on down, and if we go to device care and we can select this, go to battery and scroll on down, we have an option here for charging settings. We have fast charging. Just make sure this is turned on. We can try turning it on and off. And then we got slow charging information right there. So there is a setting specifically for fast charging. If you somehow that got turned off, your phone won't fast charge. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.